So give it some. Now to fix the problem, hook it and get all these 4 nuts off. Then you can take the rail off. And crack the glow plugs with a socket. And repeat. Taking the last one out. And just snug it up a little bit. And that's fine. Then you chuck the rail back on. Connect your power back up. Now it's all tightened together. See if she starts. Bob's your uncle.